So what's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Are you tired of getting awkward or spammy messages on your Facebook practice or business page? You can't stop all the awkward social media stuff, but today I'm going to show you one small thing you can do in under a minute to completely turn off the messaging feature on your Facebook page. Let's get right into it. Firstly, navigate to your Facebook business page. If you look closely, you'll probably see a message button sitting right there on the front of your page. Let's change that. Now head up to the top right hand corner of your screen and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, scan the list to locate messages and then click Edit. Here is the catch. When you first set up a Facebook page for your practice, the system automatically checks this box. So all you have to do is uncheck that box, and once it is, make sure absolutely to hit the Save Changes button so your new settings lock in. Now, to be 100% sure it worked, return to your main page and confirm that the message button is officially gone. And that's it, your inbox is closed. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.